Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to buy and sell a Strangle on Robinhood app for options trading. A long Strangle is an option strategy that involves buying one call option and buying one put option with the same expiration date but different strike prices. Traders often use this strategy when they expect a large price move but aren't sure whether the stock will move up or down. Since both options are purchased, your maximum loss is limited to the total premium you pay, while your profit potential depends on how far the stock moves before expiration. Keep in mind that options trading involves risk and isn't suitable for every investor. Make sure your Robinhood account is approved for the appropriate options trading level before using multi-leg strategies. Now let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app and sign into your account. Search for the stock or ETF you want to trade. Open its details page, tap trade, then select trade options. Choose the expiration date that matches your trading plan. Select the long Strangle strategy if it's available, or build the position manually. Choose an out-of-the-money call option above the current stock price. Then choose an out-of-the-money put option below the current stock price using the same expiration date. Robinhood will automatically calculate the total debit, which is the amount you'll pay to open the trade. Review the maximum possible loss, break-even prices, estimated cost, and other trade details before placing your order. Choose the number of contracts you want to buy. Review your order carefully. If everything looks correct, swipe up to submit your order. Once your order is filled, your Strangle will appear in your options portfolio. Monitor the position as the stock price, implied volatility, and time remaining until expiration change. If the value of your Strangle increases, you don't have to wait until expiration. To close the position, open the Strangle from your portfolio. Tap Close, review the closing order, and submit it to sell both option legs at the same time. Many traders choose to close the position before expiration to avoid additional time decay and changing market conditions. Remember that a long Strangle generally requires a significant move in either direction to become profitable because you're paying premiums for both options. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.